This thing has sat outside forever. This is one of the rare Super 77s that they put a kicker on. Had the gasoline motor on it. We're sold some pieces off it. Baler's pretty much parts, nothing much good left on it. I'm trying to soak the knotters, see if they'll come back to life. But gentleman wants those gears and flywheel to make a winch with, so got to get a few more pieces off it. There's the motor. Yeah, no, it's seized up pretty tight. The heads are even popped loose. They've froze and broke. Super 77. Taking what good pulleys and stuff off of it, and needle, saddle, stuff like that, and try to get the knotters freed up. Probably the axles. Probably some of the plunger pieces. But yeah, the end of the road for this old girl. She'll help put parts on balers that'll still live to see tomorrow.